Today I'm going to walk you through setting up WooCommerce Wholesale Quotes in my store. By the end of this, wholesale customers will be able to request quotes directly from my product pages, and I'll be able to review, approve, and convert them into orders. Let's get into it. To get started, I go to Plugins, Add New, and search for WooCommerce Wholesale Quotes. One thing to note, this plugin requires WooCommerce Wholesale prices to already be installed and active. Once that's in place, I click Install Now, and then Activate. That's all it takes. As soon as the plugin activates, it automatically creates two pages, a quote page where customers build and submit their quotes, and a view quote page where they review approved quotes. I can confirm both are here in my Pages admin, published and ready. No manual setup needed. I'll head to Wholesale Settings and click the Wholesale Quotes tab. There are several subsections here: General, Guest Quote, Quote Button Placement, and Styles, and Notifications. The most important setting to check first is Quote Expiry Days under General. The default is 14 days. I'll adjust that to match how quickly my team can turn around a quote response. Here's what my customers see on the shop page. Every product now has an Add to Quote button sitting right below Add to Cart. Customers can click it on any product they want to include, and it gets added to their draft quote. Very similar to how a cart works. They can browse and add as many products as they like before submitting. When customers are ready, they head to the quote page. It's available right in my nav menu. Here they can review everything they've added, enter their email address, and optionally add their company name, phone number, and any notes. Hitting Submit, Quote sends the quote request through to me, and they get a confirmation email straight away. On my end, I can see all incoming quote requests at Wholesale Quotes. Each quote shows the customer name, status, and quick actions. I'll click View Details to open it up. I can review the items, adjust quantities or prices if needed, add a message for the customer, and then either approve or decline. It's all right here in one place. Here's the full quote detail. I can see the customer's billing and shipping info, the quoted products, pricing, and the quote history. When I'm happy with everything, I hit Approve. The customer gets an email notification straight away. They follow the link to their View Quote page and click Convert to Order to go through checkout at the agreed price. That's the full quote flow from start to finish. I'll link the full documentation below and drop any questions in the comments. That's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.